In this video, I'll show you how you can completely remove Roblox from your PC. Now there's two things that we want to do. The first one is we want to come down here and search for apps and features, open it up, and from in here search for Roblox. Now in here you should have one or multiple Roblox something, and you want to just click and uninstall on all of them. If you have more than these, just uninstall all of your Roblox stuff. Just click here and uninstall. After you've done that, what you want to do is you want to come down here and search for run. In here type %local app data %, press OK, and from in here we want to scroll down until we find Roblox. Now simply delete this folder. If it says you cannot delete it, it's because you have Roblox open somewhere, so you can just open your task manager, press details, sort by the name, press anywhere and press R, and look if you have Roblox opened. Now once you end the task on your Roblox, simply delete the Roblox folder, empty your recycle bin, and Roblox is now completely removed and all of your saved files are gone. Now that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.